Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is the GM certified 2015 Buick LaCrosse Leather Group, stock number Z8412XX. 34,000 miles in this one owner, comes to us with a clean auto check history report, summit white in color. To be GM certified, the vehicle goes through a very strict 172-point inspection, giving you the balance of a 4-year 50,000-mile bumper-to-bumper and a 6-year 100,000-mile powertrain warranty. You also receive an additional 12-month, 12,000-mile bumper-to-bumper warranty and 2 years or 24,000 miles of scheduled maintenance. The LaCrosse is a very safe vehicle. It's an Insurance Institute of Highway Safety's top safety pick. Seats 5, leather interior, lots of legroom for the rear passengers. Split seat back folds down to accommodate longer cargo items. Backup camera, along with rear parking sensors. Nice sized trunk. Wide opening makes it easy to get things in and out. And of course, very clean, no dents or dings in the body. This leather group has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, Bose sound system, power seats, along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position. Start. Large, easy to read gauges with driver information system, controlled by buttons on the steering wheel, cruise control, steering wheel mounted audio controls, large touchscreen infotainment system. For radio, it's also satellite radio capable. Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect to other Bluetooth-enabled devices. Great for wireless music streaming. You can even sync smartphones, Pandora radio apps. Navigation. And that is, of course, where the backup camera display is. Dual zone automatic temperature control with heated front seats. 6-speed automatic transmission with manual shift capability. Lots of storage space in the armrest. USB and auxiliary input allows you to connect those mobile media devices. Spacious glove box with all the owner's materials. Mirror and HomeLink transmitter for garage door openers. Under the hood, this LaCrosse has a 3.6-liter direct injection V6, 304 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 18 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 28 on the highway, and ready to go with new tires and new brakes. Don't forget about that GM certification, protecting your investment. For more information, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.